You're not supposed to come in here making money like that. That's not how this works. So again, if you guys think you're going to come in and in a month become millionaires, don't even, just stop. Stop right there. I don't even want you guys to use real money. If it was up to me, you wouldn't even get to use real money till like month 9. I know you guys are going to do your own thing, but if I had my way, I'd make you sign a piece of paper. I will not use real money for the first year. That means, Jim, that I would have you in that VIP for a full year before you spent a penny on trading in with real money, because I want you guys to become traders before you start putting money in the market. But I'm serious, you guys. You don't come in here with anticipation of making money. You come in here to learn, because I always say the money will come once you become a good trader. You're not going to become a good trader if all you're concentrated on is your profits. I promise you that. It's not going to happen. I'm telling you right now, you might get lucky when you came in and bam, I made so much money. And can you reproduce what you're doing all the time? And this is what we teach in here, okay?
Yeah, you don't graduate college and become a CEO right away. You got to do the work.
Exactly.
You got to
So,
develop yourself. You develop your
yes,
mind, develop your disciplines,
yes.
um, and develop consistency. Start pushing the envelope
Yep.
in your career. And this is the same thing.
I want you guys thinking about the training and education more than the money. Now, you guys hear the money. They've been in here a long time, right? It takes a long time to do this. Man, you guys, I know you hear numbers and like, oh, I'm going to do it too. It should be so easy. I click a couple buttons and blah, blah, blah. That's not how this works. This will test you. This will be the hardest thing you've ever done in your life. I'm telling you, it will test you financially, physically, spiritually. This is tough. You are the only one. You're in the room with yourself, and you only have yourself to blame or to pat on the back, right? This is hard. This is a hard business. If it wasn't, everybody be a millionaire and the stock market would be worth nothing, because if everybody could do it, there'd be zero value to it. Come over, we'll get you set up, we'll get you going.